Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wahoo ELEMNT ROAM V2. To begin, power on your device by holding the left side button for about 3 seconds. Next, download the Wahoo ELEMNT Companion app to your smartphone. You'll then pair your ROAM V2 with the app by scanning the QR code displayed on the device's screen. Finally, complete the initial setup, including your rider profile and any sensors you wish to connect, ensuring a smooth start to your cycling adventures. Navigating with your ROAM V2 is straightforward. Access the navigation menu by pressing the bottom right button. You can select a preloaded route or easily import a new one from your preferred connected service. The 2.7-inch color screen provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, guiding you precisely. For spontaneous detours, utilize the Take Me To feature, allowing you to set new destinations on the fly and explore with confidence. Personalizing your data screens is simple through the companion app. Open the app and navigate to the Customize Pages section. Here, you can drag and drop your desired data fields to arrange them across up to 10 customizable pages. Choose from over 170 data metrics, including speed, power, and heart rate, to display exactly what you need. Adjust the number of fields per page from 1 to 11 for optimal readability during your ride. The ROAM V2 offers robust connectivity and advanced features. Easily connect to third-party sensors like power meters and heart rate monitors using both ANT+ and Bluetooth. You can receive smart notifications for calls and texts directly on your device, keeping you informed without distraction. Utilize the Live Track feature to share your ride progress with friends and family in real time. Your completed rides automatically sync to popular platforms such as Strava and Training Peaks, making data analysis effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.